After sanitizing the surface area, remove sterile gloves from the outer packaging in a deliberate and efficient manner. Wash hands and don lab coat. Open the sterile glove wrapper without touching the area of the packaging that the gloves are making contact with. You may touch the 1-inch perimeter of the outside of the wrapper. Fold down the edges so that the paper does not fold back into the gloves. Pick up the first glove for your dominant hand by the sleeve with the opposite hand and only touch the inner surfaces. Put on the first glove by inserting your hand into the glove while pulling across with the other hand, and continue to only touch the inner surface until the fingers are in place inside the glove. Complete placement of the first glove using the opposite hand. Pinch the palmar surface of the sleeve and then pull back across the length of the arm until the glove is fully extended. Prepare to glove the remaining hand. After properly gloving the first hand, use the 2nd through 5th digits of the already gloved hand to lift the glove and facilitate placement of a gloved hand into the remaining glove. Finish gloving the remaining hand with the 2nd through 5th digits. Pull the sleeves across the forearm until the glove is in place. Proper sterile gloving is complete.